Olá e bem-vindos ao Low-Key Portuguese. Today, we're going to look at 10 everyday expressions with the verb dar, where dar does not translate to give. The first expression is dar uma volta, which translates to go for a walk or a stroll around town. It's generally seen as something laid back to do, something just to kind of ease the day a little bit. You can also qualify it with dar uma volta de carro to indicate that you're going for a drive with the same intent, just kind of driving around. Alternatively, this expression, when used imperatively with the verb ir, where you tell somebody, vai dar uma volta, you're kind of telling them to scram, leave you alone, in a much more polite way than using any sort of profanity. The next expression is dar uma olhada, which is to take a look, or I guess this one translates a little bit, to give something a glance. The expression dar jeito is used to convey the idea of attempting to solve a problem, to fix something in a certain way. And alternatively, if you use the term of endearment jeitinho rather than jeito, you're kind of indicating to ask someone to do you a favor, to kind of, use their resourcefulness to accomplish a task for you. Dar uma mão is the expression to lend a hand. Dar uma mão. Dar risada is the idea of laughing out loud or something just being really funny. It elicited a laugh out loud. Dar risada. Dar tempo is to take a break or some time off. It's a useful expression whether you just need some time to think about something or you're breaking off a relationship that isn't working out. Dar tempo. Dar a volta por cima is to overcome or to achieve something that was very trying. Dar a volta por cima. Dar à luz is to give birth to. Now we can use that expression to talk about giving actual birth, literal birth, or to giving birth to an idea or a concept or some work of art. Dar à luz. Dar com a língua nos dentes is a way to express the idea of revealing a secret. Dar com a língua nos dentes. Finalmente, temos a expressão dar tanga. Dar tanga is, quite frankly, to bullshit. It's to trick someone, it's to deceive them. Dar tanga. I hope these videos are helpful for you and that you enjoy our content on Low-Key Portuguese. Please like and subscribe and leave us a comment if you have any ideas or if you have any questions. We'd love to address them and help you become more fluent in European Portuguese. Até a próxima. Ciao.